Hello all. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today we are coming with this beautiful hanging house lamp. So let's get started. For making hanging house lamp, we need four different sides. This is first side measurement. Here I am taking one of our box which is white from inside and printed from outside. I'm using the inside part. So this is a measurement of first side. Once you get that measurement, you have to cut the extra portion of that cutouts. The way I'm showing in my video. So just cut an extra part and fold it inside. You have to fold all the other extra 1 centimeter lines. So once you fold inside, you will get a exact front shape that I am showing in my video. This kind of things. We need to draw a 2 centimeter circle and we have to cut it from the center. This is 11 by 11 square. We have to follow the same process again. Cut extra and fold it inside. So you will get this kind of square. We require two such same square. So I'm making the another one. We also need 11 by 10.5 square. And we have to fold inside and make this kind of square. For house lamp, we need these all sides. So this is a first front side two sides and the bottom part and the back part of our house. Our front side is 8.5 centimeter from down. So I'm measuring where that 8.5 is. So I'm sticking my front side now to the 8.5 line and now I'm sticking the back part of it. Now the side 2 part for 9 centimeter line. Once we finish sticking all the side of house, now it's time to stick roof. Now I'm taking a center of our roof and making a hole with the help of rounder. For hanging house, we need such kind of loop. I'm fixing into that hole so this house can be hanged. I'm also going to make my roof more creative. So here I'm sticking few spoons. You can also use your own creativity to make your house beautiful. You can stick pista shells. You can use paper as well. Our house is ready. I'm also going to decorate my house with few papers and cutouts. You can use your own creative way, your own creative idea to make your house beautiful. So here I'm adding few leaves too. I'm also going to use few colors, few shades, few shapes. You can try with different shades, different designs. You can go with the tribal designs. You can go with the Varli paintings also. So here I complete with my house. You can see. Once I complete, I think to color my roof with brown. So here I am coloring my roof brown. Finally, we finish with a house. But yes, don't forget to make a hole from bottom part so you can lit a lamp inside. So here is our hanging house lamp. You can use any waste material that you have. Thank you for watching our video.